JustMyIdeas.com.
The truck's not running. Did you pop the hood? Let's see what we got here. Got it. Alright. So, battery's dead. We gotta jump start this thing. Rather than pulling the car around, we're gonna use this Halo device here. It's charged up, ready to go. We got our plug-in right here. Just going to plug in that adapter. Only fits in one way. Going to go ahead and make our connections to positive and negative. Black to black. Ground it first always. And we're going to red. Then we need to power on the device somehow. There should be a power button over there. Yep. Okay. So it's on. Looks like it's ready to go. I don't know if we should give it a minute or whatever, but let's just try to
give it a minute.
Let's try to turn it on. See what happens. Don't need no instructions. See what happens here.
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Did we not turn it on right? Says jump start and it's flashing. Alright, that's off. It's on.
Just give it a minute. Okay, it says go.
Now it's solid. Give it a shot.
No.
No?
The gauges moved, maybe we just give it a minute.
Alright. So solid on light. Do your lights come on or anything?
I got everything turned off.
Does it give you a spark?
I think we had a bad connection.
Oh, because now the light's on.
Yep, and I saw a spark there.
Alright. Now give it a shot. Nice. Yep. A little loose connection, folks. Keep that in mind. We have a light under the hood, so that helps us. Boom! Look at that. Dude, sweet. It's on, it automatically turned off. So it's off right now. It automatically turned off when you started.
Really?
Yeah. So I heard a little click from it when it turned on.
Let it run for a minute.
Alright. Cool. Good stuff. So we came back from the truck after we started that, and one thing that I noticed, because this is brand new and we were just checking it out, here on the side, look at that. We got a light on there. That's pretty cool. So along with that light, what we wanted to do is charge our phone, and oh, by the way, we only charge this up 3 bars. 4 is full. So we still have 3 bars even after jump starting the truck. We got the flashlight on. Now we need to charge his phone, because his phone right now, as you can tell, has 7% battery life on there. So we need to get that going. So we got the cord, the iPhone cord. We're going to plug that in right now and see if this thing will charge up our phone as well. So we got it plugged in. Doesn't say that it's charging yet. But if we push the button there in the middle, boom, it's charging now. So we're charging our phone, we got a flashlight, and we just started the truck with this Halo battery charger jump starter. Awesome.